Today we're studying about the structure of Graafian follicle. The Graafian follicle, or it is also called as mature follicle, which is at the secondary oocyte stage. It is a spherical in structure. It measuring about 2 mm in diameter. The external layer is called the theca externa. This one. This is the external layer of this oocyte. It's called as theca externa. While inner layer is called the theca interna. This one. This is the outer layer. This one is the inner layer. Inner layer is called the theca interna. The cavity of a follicle shows a stalk of cells called germ hill. This one is the germ hill. The cavity of this shows. Then it is eccentric in position. At one side it is presents a nucleus, so that's why it is called eccentric in position, and the yolk material is very less in it. The theca externa and theca interna are the layers of the connective tissue. Then you see here, this is the ovum. This ovum is surrounding by 3 layers, that is zona pellucida. This one, this is the outermost layer, zona pellucida, which is non-cellular layer. Then second layer is called as the corona radiata. This one is second layer, corona radiata. This layer is a cellular, and next one is the discus proligerus or cumulus oophorus. Discus proligerus or this one, discus proligerus layer, or it is also called as the cumulus oophorus. The layers of follicular cells between discus proligerus and theca interna, discus proligerus and this one, and theca interna, this one, theca interna, this layer and this layer. In between them there is, in between discus proligerus and theca interna is called as membrana granulosa. This one, membrana granulosa, this layer. The space between the ovum and the membrana granulosa, the space between the ovum, this is the ovum, and membrana granulosa, there is presents a cavity called as the antrum. This one, this cavity called as the antrum. The antrum is filled up by fluid called as liquor follicule. Here present fluid called as liquor follicule. The growing follicle secrete estrogen. This is the female hormone. It is steroid hormone, and it stimulates the development of the secondary sexual characters in females. Okay, this is about the structure of Graafian follicle. Thank you.